Hello guys, what are variables in React? In React programming, like other languages, variables are containers that we can store our data on them. And in React programming, we have three keywords for using variables. One of them is var, and the second one is let, the third one is const. In this approach, I'm going to show you how can we use const variables in React and what are the usages of const in React. Let's go back to our project. In previous tutorials, we created this hello folder, and inside it we created a project with the name of hello, and said in public folder we have index.html, and also in src folder we can access to index.js and app.js too. And for working with server, we can use Visual Studio Code. When we go to localhost, we can see that nothing is come and it's not running, because we should go to Visual Studio and start our server. Our project folder is hello, so here we type this command cd hello and then start our server. We type here npm start. Okay, automatically our browser will open. Okay, we refresh our localhost 3000 this URL, and we see that nothing is happier, but our server is running because we deleted every content in index.js and app.js. Also we have index.html and working with index.js in this video. For understanding variables in React, first of all we should insert two lines for using the libraries of React and React DOM. Okay, I paste them, import React from React, and also import React DOM from React DOM for running our project. Okay, and we can define two variables with const with the name of name and another with the name of element. I copy these codes here. Const name equal omid. Inside of this variable const name exists omid, and then another variable, its name is element, and we use these tags JSX codes. And now we are going to use the library of React for executing these codes. Okay, I paste these codes here too. You can access this file from description of this video. Okay, in React DOM.render we call element, this variable, which inside is its inside is hello and the name. We expect that in browser we see hello omid, and then we use this command document.getElement by id root. Why we used root? Because in our index.html, when we define a div, we use the name of root here. So in index.js we use root 2. Okay, now we save it and check our browser. Yes, you can see that hello omid, this const, this variable name is appeared here. But we can use const for arrays too. For example, I can have the name like this with the name is a variable with const that is like an array, and inside it there are omid, webish, and media. So here when I want to use this element, I can change it to this one, and I can say access to the second element in the array, in this array, with this comment. Okay, for example, the second element in this array, I should type here 1, 0, 1 and 2, 0, 1 and 2, and name 1 refers to webish. So we will expect that the browser show us hello webish. Okay, let's save it. Yes, as you can see, hello webish is appeared. I wanted to show you in React programming with const we can have variables, we can have arrays, and it's very useful, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.